You don't realize how much you rely on electricity until you lose it. That's exactly why I've been testing the UDPOWER S1200 portable power station for the past, I don't know, couple weeks. And it's honestly one of the most reliable units that I've used in a long time. This thing packs just under 1,200 watt hours of power, which basically means it can keep my laptop, my camera batteries, my drone, and my phone, and my lights running all weekend long for a weekend of filming or camping without even breaking a sweat. I mean, I even powered a mini fridge off of this thing for hours, no problem at all. Now, what really stands out is how fast it charges. You plug it in the wall and you're looking at about an hour and a half for a full charge, which is wildly impressive for this capacity. Now, it's built really tough too. It's not small, but it feels like it can take a beating and keep going. The screen is so bright, it's easy to read, and it gives you all of the info that you actually care about. Now, a few minor things that could be better. The cooling fan can definitely get a little bit loud when it's under a heavy load, especially indoors. And at about 25 pounds, it's not gonna be the lightest thing. So if you plan to carry it far, that's gonna be the trade-off for having the serious power in such a big battery. What I really like is how consistent it performs. I ran some efficiency tests and it holds up better than a lot of comparable models. The power output stays stable even when I'm running a high draw equipment. And the safety side is locked in too. There's no overheating, no hiccups, it just has clean, reliable power every single time. Let's dive into what really makes the S1200 stand out for both outdoor adventurers and content pro creators. With roughly 1,190 watt hours of battery capacity built around LiFePO4 cells, you're getting durable power source designed not just for a weekend, but for hundreds of cycles of use. That capacity means you can run a laptop, a lighting rig, camera batteries, and a fridge for a ton of hours without sweating it. The continuous output is rated at about 1,200 watts, and there's a peak surge capability up to 1,800 watts. That surge headroom handles startup loads for appliances or tools that can draw a higher spike. Now, the portability is key. At around 26 pounds, it's way lighter than many comparable units of a similar capacity. Now, don't get me wrong. You can still feel it on your shoulder and your arm, but it is manageable, especially when you're rolling gear between vehicles, sets, campsites, or whatever you're doing. Now, the output flexibility is really impressive. You've got 5 AC outlets, plus USB-A, USB-C, and DC ports. That means multiple devices can run simultaneously: camera gear, lighting, batteries, phones, while also powering larger loads via the AC outlets. Now, there's definitely one feature that is worth calling out, and that's the built-in UPS functionality. Now, for content creators editing on location, or even for a home office that cannot afford to have any power outages, the switchover time is less than 10 milliseconds. This is so important for people that rely on getting that last save before the power cuts. Now, the charging versatility can hit hard. You can recharge from the wall AC, use solar input when the sun's out, and it's even optimized for fast turnaround so your downtime is minimized. Outdoors, this matters. You can camp, shoot, recharge, and get back to work. Safety and durability are baked in. The LiFePO4 chemistry offers longer life and better safety compared with a ton of older lithium-ion bags. Heat, humidity, drop test, these are all part of the design specs. If you're filming in a mobile rig or a remote site, you want gear that is both rugged and reliable. The bottom line is, this isn't just a, hey, it's nice to have this battery pack. It's a mid-size power station with a serious capacity, flexible outputs, and build quality that can scale across a variety of scenarios. If you need something for content creation, camping, or even just as a computer backup, this is going to be a solid pick for the money. UDPOWER literally stands for ultra durable power, and they did not miss the mark on that.